Hello YouTube, this is just a short sound check of my custom exhaust on my custom bike. That is not finished yet. It's gonna get painted flat back, black, all the way around except the tank and the front fender. Those are gonna be shiny black. Okay, here we go. The exhaust is just fixed temporarily, so bear with me. Well, you can't probably hear it on the video, but it has a very deep sound, and I like it. It sounds great. If anybody is interested, I will make a sound clip of it and send it out to you, but I doubt it. Anyway, thanks for watching and take care.